quality 5x120 wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part between the hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality wheel spacers can help your Honda Civic Type R with more modifications and upgrades, including cosmetic changes, brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, better handling, and more. 5x120 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Honda Civic Type R. The length of the Honda Civic Type R will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing 5x120 wheel spacers is a great way to fix roll offset rubbing problems. They're installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increase in the wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the 5x120 wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their Honda Civic Type R looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS FK cooling wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty at any type of 4x4 event. These wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS FK cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat extraction grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in kettle shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat exchange effect and improving road safety. Such BONOSS FK cooling wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.